When tucking into our favorite foods, we rarely stop to think about whether we're doing it correctly. After all, old habits are tough to break. But that could be a mistake. There are some foods that require a bit of extra effort or know-how to properly enjoy. Of course, you can eat any dish however you'd like, but with some helpful tips, you may like it even more. As there really are better ways to maximize flavor, avoid making a mess, save time, or even save yourself from embarrassment. 1. Bananas. Bananas grow upwards from the stem, so if, like the vast majority of people, you tend to eat this yellow fruit open from the stem end, as pictured, you're doing it the wrong way round. The easier way to eat a banana is from the opposite end, which is actually the tip. Give it a squeeze, then peel it open as usual, using the stem to grip. With this method, you avoid all the annoying banana strings. Number 2. Cupcake. Cupcakes are so irresistible, it's no wonder most of us dive straight in and take a bite, regardless of where the toppings end up. However, there is a way to avoid covering the tip of your nose in frosting. Simply cut your cupcake in half widthways, then turn the top piece over and sandwich the icing between the two sponge pieces. People might give you strange looks, but trust us, it's one of our favorite food hacks to date. Number 3. Dumplings. If you solely use chopsticks to eat dumplings that contain soup or broth, the hot liquid and filling can easily end up scalding the inside of your mouth. Instead, scoop the dumplings onto a spoon, then take a small bite out of the side, or nip off the top. This allows some of the hot broth to drain so the diner can slurp on it first. Number 4. Kiwis. When you want to eat kiwi as a quick snack without peeling or slicing, simply cut the kiwi in half along its equator. Then use a small spoon to scoop right into the flesh. Once you've eaten all of the fruit from the skin, you can just pop the skin into the compost bin. Slicing off a kiwi's hairy skin means you'll lose a lot of the flesh. The more efficient way to do it is slice the fruit widthways into coin shapes, then pick off the skin, it'll come away easily. Number 5. Fries. This one might be a bit controversial, but if you like to spread ketchup all over your French fries before eating, you're actually making them worse. The sauce makes crispy fries soggy, so it's better to keep the ketchup on the side for dipping. Number 6. Mangoes. There are lots of different ways you can go about peeling and slicing a mango, but we think this one's the quickest and easiest. Make sure your mango is nice and ripe, slice it in half lengthways, then push the rim of a glass into the flesh, making a scooping motion. This way, you'll end up with big, juicy, ready-to-eat mango chunks in next to no time. Number 7. Mussels. Did you know there's a clever trick to make eating mussels way easier than struggling with a fork? Here's the secret: once you've enjoyed your first mussel, don't toss the shell. Instead, use it like a pair of tongs to grab the next one right out of it. Down for a meal. Put these tips to the test and see how much better your favorite foods can be. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty truths. Until next time, happy eating.